स्टार्ट कीजिएगा। चलिए, राधे राधे। नाउ दिस इज Kuantan, the beach at Kuantan. I never imagined that this will turn out to be such a fascinating experience. This morning, while we conclude our weekend trip to Kuantan, which is about 4 hours drive from Kuala Lumpur, while we conclude our trip this afternoon, we are standing at the beach in the Kuantan, and what we are witnessing is just unimaginable. We just saw the moon, which is so resplendent on one side of the beach, and then we have this majestic ocean, and then we have the sun, the all glorious sun. And I am remembering the verse from Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 21st verse. The 10th chapter is about the opulences of the Lord Vibhuti Yoga, where Sri Krishna is describing that his glories, his opulences, his qualities are unlimited. There is no end to his opulences, vibhutis. And he is telling Arjun, how much can I tell you? Because my glories, my opulences are unlimited. But let me give you a glimpse. And in that process, he is telling Arjun that among the bodies of water, I am the ocean. Saraga Mashmi, Sagara. Among the bodies of water, I am the ocean. And then he is telling, Jyotir Sham Ravir Anshuman. Among the luminous objects, I am the sun. And then he says, Nakshatra Aham Shashi. Among the stars in the night, I am the moon. So what is happening now? We are in the beach in Kuantan, Malaysia. 4 hours drive from Kuala Lumpur. And we are witnessing the moon, which Sri Milind will show you. We are witnessing the ocean. And we are witnessing the sun. So Bhagavad Gita is coming alive. The chapter 10, which we keep talking about in our Bhagavad Gita sessions, we have that famous iconic shloka from Bhagavad Gita 10:20, where Sri Krishna says, Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarvabhutasha Istitah Aham Adirhi Madhyam Cha Bhutanamanta Evacha. Sri Krishna is telling Arjun that I am seated in the heart of every living being, O Arjun. And I am the middle, I am the start, and I am the end of everything. Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarva Bhutashe Stitah Aham Adirhi Madhyam Cha Bhutana Manta Evacha. And in the later verses, he starts describing that among the animals, he is the lion, the land creatures. Among the horses, he is Uchaishrava. Among the elephants, he is Aravat. Among the trees, he is the banyan tree. Among the priests, he is Viraspati. Among the archers, he is Lord Ram. He describes so many opulences of his, and in this video we have the direct perception of what Sri Krishna is telling about him being the ocean, him being the moon, and him being the sun. So amazing, amazing, amazing. I am speechless. Thank you all so much.